Did either side of your family tell you what life had been like for them or their parents or grandparents in the small towns of Latvia or Lithuania?
On my grandparents on my mother's side spoke more about life in Lithuania and Latvia. But I remember as a little boy, my grandfather, after my grandmother passed away, he came to live with us. And he would sit at the table and distant relatives would come by and they would speak after dinner in Yiddish about their heym. And everything was their heym, about the home country. My grandfather was only 24 when he came to South Africa, but you'd think he had lived all his life the way he spoke about their heym. I know that when he was working as a young adult, he used to ride the river, and he would ride the logs down the river. He was a logger, or he worked in the logging industry, and they would take the logs down the river and they would ride them to transport them to the next town. They spoke he spoke generally about how it was in the shtetl, about the smallness, and everyone knew everyone else.